The companies seeing the highest ROI from their tech investments in 2025 aren't simply connecting their CX platform to Salesforce, they are orchestrating them. After analyzing hundreds of integrations and honestly just getting on the phone with a few key people, we've identified 5 practices that separate transformative integrations from expensive disappointments. First, strategic data mapping. The most successful companies map only the data points that drive decisions or actions, not everything possible. This precision approach reduces complexity and actually improves system performance. For every field you're considering syncing, ask yourself, what specific action will this data trigger in the receiving system? Second, deliberate sync architecture. Despite what every tech ad tells you on television, not everything needs real-time integration. Our analysis shows that companies waste thousands on unnecessary real-time processing. Instead, categorize your data into 3 tiers. Real-time processing for things like customer status changes, near-time processing for things like new support tickets, and then batch everything else. Third, start with workflows, not systems. Map your ideal customer journeys first, then determine where Salesforce and your CX platform need to intersect. The best integrations we've seen build bridges at key customer moments, not simply mirroring the same data across platforms. This approach also reduces agent context switching by over 50%. Fourth, plan for integration failures. The companies with the most reliable customer experiences build intelligent fallbacks for when their integrations fail, because they will fail. Implement circuit breakers, data queuing, and graceful degradation paths for critical customer-facing processes. Your integration is only ever as strong as its recovery protocol. Fifth and finally for today, build for evolution, not just implementation. Both Salesforce and your CX platform will change, sometimes dramatically. The most future-proof integrations use abstraction layers and standard data models that can adapt without requiring full rebuilds. This architectural approach will save you so much money when it comes to long-term maintenance costs. The gap between mediocre and exceptional integrations isn't wizardry or technical capability, it's strategic design. For more on our integration frameworks and vendor-specific implementation guides, be sure to follow us here at CX Foundation, where we're taking technical concepts and translating them into business outcomes.